back to my channel. So excited today. I found something really amazing in Dubai. There is a new store called The Lab, which is in City Walk, and I think it's in the Galleria Mall as well. And they are bringing to Dubai all of the really cool US indie brands that you can't find anywhere else. And I was so excited because they had Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Insane, crazy. I've heard about Makeup Geek so many times on YouTube. I've watched other YouTubers swatch them, use them, talk about how incredible they are. Unfortunately, they're not being sold in store as far as I'm aware, so I couldn't really swatch them, and I couldn't really find, you know, like which shades would I want to buy before placing an order online. So I was so excited because the lab actually had, I think, a lot of the Makeup Geek shadows, a lot of the other products. They had other brands as well, and I just wanted to quickly show you all of the beautiful packaging. So I got a bunch of single eyeshadows, and they're just so pretty. They come in this cardboard packaging, and they're just single eyeshadows, which mean that I can depot them and just place them into an empty palette. So super cute. I've got the normal press eyeshadow pan, which comes in the black and white and bright pink packaging, kind of looks like that. And I also got a bunch of the duochrome eyeshadow pans, which looks like this. So pretty. Look at that rainbow effect and the copper against the black. I also have the foiled eyeshadow formula as well, again with that rose gold, but I think that one doesn't come with something really... Oh cool, okay, so this is like a beigey rose gold, and then that is like the rainbow rose gold. So you can see the difference in packaging. That is just normal foiled, and that's a duochrome. So cool. What I'm going to do is take all of these out. I'm going to depot them, put them into a pan, and I'm going to put all of the swatches here, and we're going to try them out as well, so stay tuned. I am so beyond annoyed. My camera died when I was in the middle of doing this look, which was really cool, and then it just completely went on the fritz, and I couldn't fix it, and I had no idea what went wrong, but I don't think I have the footage. So unfortunately, yeah, so this is the look I managed to do with my Makeup Geek shadows. They were so easy to use, really easy, blendable, really pigmented, beautiful colors. I've mostly gone for very neutral shades, which couple of pops of slightly more purplies, golds, and then a beautiful kind of teal called Typhoon, which is a duochrome, and they are just stunning. So today I have a slightly kind of smoky neutral look with a pop of gold in the middle, and it is just stunning. I love this. I think it's fantastic. Whether I'm feeling a little bit cheeky at work or I'm going for a night out, I think it is beautiful. Now the shades are absolutely stunning. I've already put, hopefully I would have already put out all of the swatches, but I wanted to show you in real life because they are incredible. I've got a lovely mixture of the pressed shadows, a couple of duochromes, and 4 foiled eyeshadows, so it's slightly different formulas. And yeah, I just wanted to show you. So let me pick up this shade. This is called Burlesque, and it is a stunning kind of mauvey purple, and let me just swatch that for you. And just really lovely, such a beautiful shine as well. that is a horrible swatch. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to do a much better job, but it's got a kind of a golden reflex running through it, very pretty. And another one which is stunning is this beautiful copper foiled shadow called Flamethrower, and this is what it looks like. And let me just swatch that quickly for you as well. So pretty. I'm just I'm really looking forward to doing a look with that shade as well. Look at that, it is stunning. Now that is one of the foiled eyeshadows, and you can see how beautiful it is. Just really pigmented, stunning colors. And another one, which one shall I go for? It's having like feathers stuck to me. I'm gonna go for another foil. This is called Legend. I wore that in the middle of my eyes today. Let's swatch that for you. Look at that. So it's much more golden compared to Flamethrower. That is what it looks like. And I've just got them in one of my uni palettes. They are a freestyle palette, and this is what it looks like. Very cute. Unfortunately, the brand doesn't exist anymore, which I'm really sad about because these are fabulous palettes. So I'm going to show you. I've just got the eyeshadow pans in there, and they are really just nicely tucked in. The pans are magnetic, so they immediately stuck on there. I didn't have to do anything with them. So if you have a magnetic freestyle palette, they are so easy to deal with. And this is another one of the duochromes. This is Typhoon. Let's swatch that as well. Look at that. Stunning color and beautiful shine. Ugh, so pretty. And that one has a kind of silver gold reflex running through there. Again, stunning. Love them. I like the mattes. They're really easy to work with. The foil shadows are fantastic, and the shimmer shades duochromes are great. I've got nothing bad to say about the Makeup Geek shadows. They are a little bit pricey. I think the prices are usually around $6 to $7 in terms of US dollars, but once they're being sold here, I think the prices have been hiked up almost 3 times as much. So if you have the opportunity to go and buy them from the US, would definitely recommend them. And yeah, they are fantastic. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit kind of a disaster. But yeah, if you liked the video, please click the thumbs up sign and click like below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can see me pop up in your newsfeed. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Let me know what you think. Have you tried the Makeup Geek eyeshadows before, and which one are your favorite ones, and leave them in the comments below. So I'll see you next time. Bye.